While South Carolina remembers the life and legacy of Senator Graham, many are now reflecting on his years in Washington.
Others say his impact was felt right here at home through the people and organizations he helped. Here's Jamin Wade.
From the halls of Congress to community organizations across South Carolina, people are sharing stories of how Senator Lindsey Graham's work touched their lives. J.T. McLaughlin, the CEO of Columbia Urban League, says Graham was someone they could always turn to.
When we go to Washington, he's always accessible every time we go to Washington to have these conversations. Many of elected authorities from the South Carolina delegation, sometimes they're too busy to meet, but Senator Graham was always there to listen to our concerns.
McLaughlin says one of Graham's most important contributions came after a meeting about sentencing disparities between crack and powder cocaine. He says Graham helped introduce bipartisan legislation aimed at addressing those disparities, a move he believes had a major impact on African American communities.
The support system that he was providing for the African American community sometimes just overshadowed in essence, but it was a major step forward for him to co-sponsor a bill to deal with disparity in sentencing involving drug use.
Columbia resident Tony Grant also remembered Graham as someone who put constituent services above politics. Grant says even though the two often disagreed politically, Graham and his staff never hesitated to help.
Our political views were different. I didn't share his political views at all. However, he was very helpful from a constituency perspective. He and his staff have always provided great constituent services for me and a number of my clients.
From helping community organizations secure resources to working with constituents on local projects, those who knew Senator Graham say his legacy will be defined not just by his time in Washington, but by the relationships he built across South Carolina. Jamin Wade, News 19 WLTX.